Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a very quick yet very effective contour and highlight. Gonna take like a 1 minute or 2 maximum, and you're gonna have this amazing effect looking so good. So it's basically the contour and highlight, and I'm gonna add another part for the blush, very quick blush. It was from another video, the makeup video that I made, like I'm wearing right now. It will be in the card description box down below if you want to go and check it out if you like it. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful, really very nice and very effective and very quick contour and highlight. And it will be a bonus doing very quick nose contour as well. So if you want to see how to make this very quick contour and highlight, stay tuned.
Hi everyone, and as you can see, my makeup is perfect and ready. I finished everything in the makeup video and it's ready for the contour. I'm gonna use this palette from Elf Cosmetics. I really love it. It's not available anymore, but I really love it, and I'm gonna use this highlight from my Wet n Wild. And here I'm showing you some of the brushes that you can use. I'm gonna use one of these brushes, like have an angle and very oval and dense, really nice to add the color in a dense way, but not in really heavy way, so you can blend it afterwards. Or you can use one of these small kind of a fluffy brush. It's also kind of a blush contour brushes, really nice. It's small and fluffy, so it can add the color very nicely. And this one is amazing for contour. I use it like later on. It's amazing for contour. And now I'm seeing which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the bigger one, but later on in my life I use the smaller one because it's perfect in contour. So if you have it from Shein, use it, it's amazing. So I'm gonna mix all the colors together, all the dark colors, because it gives a depth and very nice coloration as a contour. And as you can see, adding in the dabbing motion at the beginning and then blend. So this brush is really nice to add the color and then blend everything and like build up the color as I want. As you can see, the color is so soft and beautiful. I'm adding a little bit of color and like blend. I'm gonna stop just before the center of my eye. That's where you need to stop your contour. And I'm gonna blend everything to remove any harsh lines, so the contour is blended in a very nice way. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my jawline. So sometimes you need to like define your jawline if you have like a chin or like under chin like me, or your jawline it's not defined. This step really helped to define your jawline. You're gonna see in a minute. And as you can see, I'm just adding a little bit of the color underneath my chin. See the difference? Like a huge difference. And just adding just a small amount of color. And for my forehead is so small, so for me, I'm not gonna add a contour on my forehead. But if you have a bigger forehead, you need to contour this area. But for me, I will not do this, because if I did, my forehead will disappear. And now, as you can see, I'm contouring the center part of my neck, because it really helps to blend the makeup with your neck, and in the same time make your neck look slimmer and more beautiful and somehow. So I always do this step. I really love it. And as you can see, my face contour is done. I just already did the other half and it's perfect. And now it's time to add the highlight. I'm gonna use this brush for the highlight this time. I usually use the rounded foundation brush, really add a very nice dense color of the highlight, but I'm gonna use this brush for this video. Then I use this brush for a contour and I was amazed with it. So yeah, skipping this brush for highlight in this video. And as you can see, I'm adding on both sides, and make sure I added the same amount on both sides, because like it was so light, so like I wasn't able to see like perfectly. I hope you can see the highlight in the camera. And it's done. And as you can see, my face highlight contour is done. And now it's time to contour my nose. Some girls need to contour their nose, some girls don't. For me, I need to contour my nose, and I'm gonna use this small fan brush from Shein collection. It's amazing, like it's the bomb for contouring your brush if you are a beginner, or you have a shaky hand, or you need to make a very nice nose contour but you are in a hurry. This one is for you. This is a must. I really love using it every time to do my nose contour. As you can see, it really draw very straight perfect line on the side of my nose. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the contour just on the tip of my nose, just under the tip a bit. Okay, and make sure I connect all the lines. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my nostril, yeah, like this bumpy part on my nose, just a little bit, and a little bit like on the bridge underneath. This really helped to like lift my nose a bit and make my nose a little bit smaller from the sides and give the illusion I have a smaller nose. I'm using like a normal fluffy brush to dust everything and blend the nose contour with the powder and foundation underneath, so I don't have any harsh lines, but at the same time the contour is there and you can see my nose is a little bit smaller, which is like the thing for contour, as you can see. Now it's time to add a highlight. I'm gonna use the same brush I just blended the contour, and I'm gonna add some of that on the tip of my nose and then a little bit like in the center between my eyebrows and just a little bit on the bridge of my nose, just not too much, and a little bit on my cupid's bow to lighten this up and make everything looks beautiful and like in harmony, as you can see. Beautiful. Now this is an extra part. I'm gonna apply my brush with you, this part from the makeup video, and as I said, I'm gonna link in the card description box down below if you want to see the whole process. But for this blush, I just wanted to add it in this video if you want to see like the contour, highlight, and blush part. Here I'm gonna blend two colors. I'm gonna use the pink color from the Sleek makeup palette with this Real Technique brush. It's my favorite brush for blush. Is it right? Brush for blush. Okay, I'm gonna blend it and really nice, and I'm gonna use this color in a very light way because it's very pigmented. I need to be like very mindful using this color. I'm gonna build up this color a bit, and then I'm gonna use another color from another palette to blend and mix and match two colors. I always love, if you follow me from a while, follow my video, you know that I love mixing blush colors and lip colors. I really love doing this, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna leave you now to see what I'm doing and this part from the makeup video part. And I said, again, it's in the card description box down below. If you like this makeup and you want to see the whole process, it will be in the card description box down below. And for this video, I'm done like doing my contour, highlight, and blush. This actually takes a lot of time because I'm explaining everything and make everything in details. But if you're doing it in front of your mirror, if it's in the beginning, it can take like from 3 to 4 minutes, but if like you're used to it, actually it doesn't take any time for me, just like about 2 minutes and just do the whole process except for blush. I'm talking about the highlight and the contour. The blush, I love to take my time applying my blush color, but the contour and highlight, it just take no time for me now because I know what I'm doing. So it's taking a lot of time here because I'm explaining, but in real life it doesn't take anything. I really hope you like this video, and I'm gonna see you in a second. Bye. And yes, this is it. I really hope you like it, and it was helpful and it was very quick, applying very nice contour and highlight very quickly, and at the same time looks so beautiful. It makes your face so
like flawless and like having life and beautiful, right? So yeah, this is it, and don't forget to go and check out the makeup if you like it, because I really like it so much, and I hope you like it too, because I have 2 videos for this makeup, one for the makeup board and the other on me. So yeah, this makeup board. So yeah, I really hope you like this video, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.